Hello guys, let me introduce you how to drive our combine harvester. This is our headers lever. We pull this lever, our header will rise. If we push this way, our lever will go down. If you push our lever this way, our combine harvester will turn left. If we push our lever this way, our combine harvester will turn right. This lever is to control our bracket rails. We press this way, our bracket rail will turn down. We push this way, our bracket rail will going up, and this level is to control our unloading grain system. We press this way, our unloading system will rise, will fall, and we press this way, our unloading system will rise. And this is to control the left and right.
You mean turn direction?
Yeah, to turn the direction. And here we use our left hand to control our car's speed. We press this lever, our car will speed up. And if we choose this way, our car will back forward. And this lever is used to control the
gear,
the shift gear. The shift gear, and if we choose this shift, is used to climb the slope. If we choose this way, is our combine harvester's walking.
So it's for climbing and rush,
climbing,
right?
walking, and cutting.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is for the threshing systems, walking or down. And this is to control our headers walking or slow down.
Got it. And what's the small thing used for? Small lever. It's for braking?
Yeah, if we made something
stop the car, right?
If we made yeah, it's for the emergency situation, we could stop our combine harvester immediately.
Okay.
And this is the reverse. Reverse is for the reverse. If we pull this in this way, if we pull this lever in this way, and the threshing system, the feeding system, and the header will rotate in the other direction.
Yeah, so the grass will come out.
Yeah, the grass which was stocked will be run out.
Thank you.
Thank you.